The lost journal Hiccup found that changed everything. Welcome back, guys, into my new story of today on my this cinema circle boost channel. If you have any question thoughts, you can share in the comments. Let's start it. One evening, as Hiccup explored the ruins of an abandoned Viking outpost on a distant island, he stumbled upon a dusty wooden chest hidden beneath collapsed beams. Inside, buried beneath scraps of old parchment was a leather-bound journal. The cover was engraved with a dragon emblem Hiccup had never seen before. Curious, he flipped through the pages, his eyes widening with every word. The journal belonged to a long lost Viking named Eric, the seeker, and explorer who had ventured beyond the known seas in search of a mythical land where dragons and humans lived in perfect harmony. This could change everything. Hiccup whispered, realizing the journal contained maps, notes on unknown dragon species, and even hints about an ancient sanctuary hidden beyond the horizon. Back in Burke, Astrid, Gober, and the others gathered around as he read aloud passages describing a lost city where dragons were not just companions but revered as guardians. According to the final entry, Eric had almost reached the sanctuary but never returned. Determined to uncover the truth, Hiccup and Toothless followed the journal's clues, leading them across treacherous waters and uncharted lands. After days of searching, they discovered something astonishing: a massive, overgrown structure carved into the cliffs with dragon statues guarding its entrance. This is it, Hiccup murmured, heart pounding. The journal had led him to something bigger than he had ever imagined. But as they stepped inside, the shadows moved and glowing eyes flickered in the darkness. Whatever secrets lay ahead, they were about to face a discovery that would change Burke and the world forever.